Welcome to this Nallatech webcast, presented in partnership with Altera, the leader in innovative customer logic solutions. My name is Craig Petrie. I am responsible for business development at Nallatech, and I'm based at their European headquarters in the UK. Today I want to provide you with an introduction to Nallatech and explain how we're working with Altera to provide FPGA-based solutions to customers in the finance market. Many of the people listening to this webcast will know about Altera, or at the very least have heard of them. The first thing to note about Nallatech is that we have been operating in the FPGA market for over 20 years now and specialise in FPGA accelerator hardware, IP and design services. We were established in 1993 and were one of the first companies to sell FPGA hardware as commercial off-the-shelf products along with IP and tools. The Nallatech Group has an in-house manufacturing, test and packaging facility based in California, and all of Nallatech's products, including the Altera Stratix 5 line of products, are manufactured there. This in-house capability, coupled to Nallatech's US and UK based engineering centres, uniquely position Nallatech and set us apart from the competition. During the early years at Nallatech, we sold development and deployment products to government, defence and telecommunications companies who were at the leading edge of technology adoption. We recognised the potential of FPGAs to address demanding real-time network processing and co-processing applications and tailored our product strategy accordingly to focus on these application areas. Over the course of the last few years, we have engaged with customers in the finance market who have been using FPGA-enabled network processing cards for high-frequency trading, where the focus is ultra-low latency performance. These customers have typically been electronic engineers who understand digital circuits, using low-level hardware description programming languages, and in some cases, MATLAB DSP tools. The recent introduction of OpenCL by Altera for FPGAs has piqued the interests of many finance customers, predominantly software engineers and programmers who see the performance potential and cost savings associated with energy efficient FPGAs. Their main interest is in using FPGAs as co-processors in a similar way that GPUs are used today for compute intensive applications such as order book building, risk analysis and Monte Carlo simulations. The inclusion of FPGAs in heterogeneous compute platforms requires the successful integration and deployment of PCI Express FPGA accelerator cards within traditional data center environments. Nallatech is the only FPGA card vendor with product formally qualified for both HP and IBM platforms, is very well positioned to meet the requirements of this class of customer. In order to reduce the risk associated with the evaluation and deployment of FPGA accelerator cards, Nallatech has worked with HP and IBM to qualify FPGA hardware on a range of popular server and blade platforms. This allows customers to purchase integrated platforms directly from Nallatech or from HP or IBM under existing supplier agreements. All three procurement paths provide good value for money and reduce risk and time to market. By ordering line replaceable units as an integrated server or blade, rather than just a card, customers can ramp up to production volumes quickly and rely upon a single warranty contract covering the FPGA accelerator card and the host platform. Nallatech currently has 3 partners who add value to the Nallatech hardware and IP for the finance market. The first company is Nallatech, based in the US. They provide customizable TCP IP offload engines, referred to as TOEs, plus Mac cores and optimized PCI Express DMA engines designed for high bandwidth and low latency. Nallatech have a great reputation in the market and have successfully demoed a trading application featuring the Opera protocol on the Nallatech 385 card using a combination of IP cores and the OpenCL toolflow. For further information, please visit www.nallatech.com. The second of Nallatech's partners is Velocitech, an award-winning company based in Denmark. Nallatech has a track record of successful FPGA and ASIC design wins and license agreements with customers in the finance market. They have just announced the introduction of a new Mac core that achieves an ultra-low latency of only 35 nanoseconds, extremely attractive for finance customers wishing to minimise trading latencies. Nallatech is currently in the process of qualifying the Nallatech 385 card with their IP. For further information, please visit www.velocitech.com. Last but not least is Accelerate, based in Ireland. Accelerate is also an award-winning company, but rather than focusing on low latency applications for the finance market, they help improve the performance of software routines by executing them on hardware accelerators such as GPUs and FPGAs. The Accelerate product is cross-platform and has dramatically increased the performance of finance customers' applications such as Societe Generale. For further information, please visit www.accelerate.com. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this webcast. For all the latest Nallatech products and information, please visit www.nallatech.com. You can download a copy of this presentation and webcast from www.nallatech.com/Altera-finance.